derating.com and choose the fire alarm battery calculator. Enter standby current, standby hours, alarm current, alarm duration, battery derating, and spare margin. In this example, standby current is 1.2 amps for 24 hours, alarm current is 4.5 amps for 30 minutes, with 80% derating and 20% spare. Click Calculate. The tool gives standby amp hours, alarm amp hours, adjusted capacity, and the next standard battery size. Here the adjusted load is about 46.6 amp hours, so the recommended standard size is 55 amp hours.